Welcome to Indian Learning Quiz. In today's video, we are going to see questions on computer. Trojan horses are very similar to virus in the matter that they are computer programs that replicate copies of themselves. Answer: false. A alone computer is one which is not connected to any network. Answer: true. Bluetooth uses RF technology. Answer: true. Bluetooth was designed for simple wireless communication. Answer: false. Clone tool is similar to paint bucket tool. Answer: false. Computer can communicate without wires. Answer: true. Eyedropper tool is used to select color. Answer: true. Hidden have small black triangle at right hand corner. Answer: true. It is important to secure Wi-Fi network. Answer: true. It is not important to secure Wi-Fi network. Answer: false. LAN stands for Local Area Network. Answer: true. Lasso tool is used to select part of a layer for editing. Answer: true. Magic wand tool is used to remove the scratches from photograph. Answer: false. Move tool is used to move selected layer around. Answer: true. Network security is the authorization of access to data in a network. Answer: false. Networking is only used for sharing resources. Answer: false. Nowadays, laptop comes with built-in Wi-Fi cards. Answer: true. Ring topology forms a closed circuit. Answer: true. The color picked by the eyedropper appears as a new color. Answer: true. There are four different ways to crop an image. Answer. False. There are four types of network. Answer. False. There are three types of network. Answer. True. There are two different color boxes available in the toolbox. Answer. True. Topology refers to sharing of computer network. Answer. True. WAN stands for Wide Area Network. Answer. True. Wi-Fi stands for Wireless Fidelity. Answer. True. Wireless network allows network to be deployed without cabling. Answer. True. Wireless network has led to many security threats. Answer. True.
Please mention your score also on comment box. Like, share and support Indian Learning Quiz YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.